we're going to play What's in the Box. Hey, how you doing, YouTube? This is Silver Husky doing a special unboxing today. This is going to be from the Royal Canadian Mint, an unboxing of one of my favorite series that has ever come out. I'm not going to share that with you quite yet, but this is going to be the last of the series that they produced. So let's go ahead and get right to it. Obviously, amazing packaging, as can be expected from the Royal Canadian Mint. And let's go ahead and open her up. So, one thing about me is that I have the most butter fingers on the planet. I drop everything, which is, it's fine because I have a nice little platform here that'll catch everything. But let's go ahead and open this up and see if you guys have ever seen this one before. Ooh, yes, this, if you haven't seen it before, is the Extraordinarily High Relief, or EHR, 2020 Multifaceted Lynx. It says $25. That's the monetary mark on there, the denomination. And before we get it out, let's go ahead and look at this real quick. Again, this is the third of the series. So 2020, $25 fine silver coin, multifaceted animal head lynx from the Royal Canadian Mint. Right? I'm not going to try to read it in French because I will make myself look like more of a fool. So I will not do that. This is the COA, right? And the COA just gives us a little bit of information on the coin. And I don't think they gave a mintage, did they? 4/9 fine silver, 36 millimeters, normal weight, 30.88 grams. Interesting. Okay, so it's not quite a troy ounce. The reverse design by the Canadian artist Tryon. I'm not going to try to pronounce that either. Sorry, sir or ma'am. I'm not going to mess that up. But protruding, you see the innovative EHR technique that they're using, and of course, Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth on the other side. So let's take a look at this coin. Let me put this back where I got it. There we go. And let's pop this bad boy out. I guess this is a kitty, right? Let's pop this kitty out. So, all right, so here we have it. This is the lynx, the third in the series. And you can see just how extraordinarily high relief this piece is. We're going to go in reverse order, and you'll see what I'm talking about here in a minute. But let me just give you a side angle view. Have you ever seen a coin that pops out that far? If I'm correct, I believe that's about 6 millimeters off of the surface, right? Off of the field. And there's the queen. See, this is why I have this this face shield, so you can't see me. You can see the camera right there, but you can't see me. Haha, no face reveals here. But yeah, really cool. It's got that multifaceted background for her as well, which looks amazing, right? That's really cool. But over here, we have the lynx. Let me pop this sucker open. All right, I'll try to do this in a way that does not pop the coin out. There we go. Check it out. How cool is that? So this is actually my daughter's coin, right? She received this one for Christmas. And I do want to highlight some quality control issues. You can see right there, there's a little marking. And right there, there's another little marking right on the rim. It may look minor, but it's bad enough to where I can't send this coin in for grading because it is, technically it's marked up. It won't come back as a 70, which is unfortunate. Interesting story behind this. I purchased this from AppMex because they are a trusted provider that I've used in the past. And I purchased it. They sent me one, and the first one had a big old gash not on this side, but actually on the other side by the queen's head, right around here, had a big old gash, and I said, absolutely not. I can't accept that for the price, the premium that I paid. So I returned it, and they sent me back this one, which had flaws on the top and bottom. So not very happy with that. That's the best they could do, because then if I returned it again, they didn't have any more to replace it. They only got, I don't know, 10 or 20 of them, and by then they were already sold out. So it was unfortunate. I was not very happy with Amex over that, but hey, there's not much you can do when it is such a limited mintage coin. And yeah, didn't get it graded, but here it is. So I'll put that one aside. I want to show you guys something else, right? Here we have the bear, the grizzly, right? That was the lynx. This is the grizzly. Same thing, extraordinarily high relief, right? Look at those facets, super cool. This one came back 70. That was the first one that they graded, right? So that was awesome. I got a 70 on that one. And then to top it off, so this one belongs to my eldest of the 3 younger ones. I'll put it like that, because I have a 4th one who's even older than all of them. But of the last 3, this is the first ones, right? Then I got this bad boy. This is the wolf, first of the series, and I would argue potentially the best looking of the 3. Though this one came back as a 70 also, right? I thought that was pretty good. But yeah, just a beautiful coin. So when you hold them together, right, they just look like beasts. And let me see if we can see. Look at that nose poking out. You had to get the thicker slab to be able to fit it, because the coin just sticks out so much. But really, really awesome coin, awesome slabs. They graded amazingly. Unfortunately, I couldn't send that one in. But anyway, so those are the 3 of the series, and arguably my favorite coins that have ever come out as a series from the Canadian Mint. The premium on them was hefty, but hey, it's a very unique coin. I don't think you'll find anything like that ever produced again. So I want to hear your thoughts. What are your thoughts on this coin? Have you guys, any of you own it, or have you ever considered getting one of them? Any feedback would be great, or anything you feel is even better than this. Any kind of high relief, you know, look at that. You can't beat that. That's amazing. All right, guys, leave a like, comment. Don't forget to subscribe. See you guys soon.